Lesson 28, Solving Two-Step Problems. A lot of real-world problems are kind of hard because it takes 2 steps to do them. Maybe you have to add 2 numbers, and then you have to take that sum and multiply it by something. That's 2 steps. Let's go through a 2-step example. At the Animal Accessories Plus store, the giraffe purse costs $15 more than the frog backpack, and the frog backpack costs $11 more than the cat umbrella. If the cat umbrella costs $19, how much does the giraffe purse cost? It's going to take us 2 steps to solve this. What we have to do is work backwards. We know the cost of the cat umbrella, $19, so let's start with that. If the cat umbrella costs $19 and the frog backpack costs $11 more than the cat umbrella, how much does the frog backpack cost? Go ahead and figure that out. Accessories Plus store, the giraffe purse costs $15 more than the frog backpack, and the frog backpack costs $11 more than the cat umbrella. If the cat umbrella costs $19, how much does the giraffe purse cost? It's going to take us 2 steps to solve this. What we have to do is work backwards. We know the cost of the cat umbrella, $19, so let's start with that. If the cat umbrella costs $19 and the frog backpack costs $11 more than the cat umbrella, how much does the frog backpack cost? Go ahead and figure that out. No, what you have to do is take 19 and add 11 to that. 19 plus 11 equals 30. So the frog backpack costs $30. We're not done yet though. That was just the first step. We're trying to figure out the cost of the giraffe purse. Now we know that the frog backpack costs $30. We can use that to figure out the cost of the giraffe purse. The problem says that the giraffe purse costs $15 more than the frog backpack. So what does the giraffe purse cost? Excellent. So the giraffe purse costs $45. And that's the answer to the problem. But the main point is that it took 2 steps to solve it. And there are a lot of real-world problems that take 2 steps. Let's try another example. The bus can carry 40 passengers. If it picked up 16 passengers on its first stop and 13 on its second stop, how many more passengers can the bus hold? The first step of this problem is to add the number of passengers the bus picked up at the first stop to the number it picked up at the second stop. To do that, we need to add 16, that's how many were picked up first, to 13, that's the number that were picked up second. So why don't you add 16 plus 13? Good. So the bus has 29 passengers right now. The second step is to subtract 40 minus 29. That will tell us how many more passengers the bus can hold, because remember the problem says that the bus can hold a total of 40 passengers. Go ahead and calculate 40 minus 29. That's right. So the bus can hold 11 more passengers. And that's another example of a 2-step problem. Only on this one, instead of adding twice, we had to add and then subtract.
Practice A. Problem 1. Tell whether this sentence is true or false. Real-world problems sometimes require 2 steps.
Excellent.
Problem 2. Tell whether this sentence is true or false. In every real-world problem with 2 steps, you have to add twice.
Sorry, that's not it. Hit Watch Solution to see what you did wrong.
Problem 3. Write this number using digits. 63,219,804.
Bingo.
Problem 4. Write this number using digits. 18,396,527,413.
Cool, bud. Yeah, cool.
Problem 5. Do this addition problem in your head. 8,000 plus 7,000.
That's right.
Problem 6. Do this subtraction problem in your head. 13,000 minus 4,000.
Yes.
Problem 7. Do this subtraction problem in your head. 1,300.
Want to hear a joke, bud?
Problem 8. Add this group of numbers. 965 plus 691 plus 508 plus 347.
That's okay. We'll get him next time, bud. Yeah.
Problem 9. Add this group of numbers. 6,927 plus 285 plus 1,749.
Nice try, but that's
Problem 10. Subtract this pair of numbers. 97,008 minus 36,275.
Keep your chin up, bud. Yeah, bud.
Problem 10. Subtract this pair of numbers. 97,008 minus 36,275.
right.
Problem 11. Find the sum of 48,027 and 3,963.
Nice try, but that's not it.
Problem 11. Find the sum of 48,027 and 3,963.
Perfect.
Problem 12. Subtract this pair of numbers. 16,251 minus 5,438.
Don't worry about it, bud. Yeah, happens to the best of us.
Problem 13. Multiply this pair of numbers. 6,193 times 8.
Nice try, but that's not the answer.
Problem 14. Multiply this pair of numbers. 750 times 16.
No use crying over spilt milk. Yeah, we'll get them next time.
Problem 15. Multiply this pair of numbers. 417 times 251.